I wanted to try to learn that if you can use household items to turn yucky dam water into clean water by separating the clay from the water. So I looked up as many videos as I possibly could, went on Google and tried to research as much as I could. I ended up just quickly asking ChatGPT and asked it if it's possible, can I use household items that are safe to separate the clay from the dam water? And you can, supposedly. So in the video today, we're going to try salt and bicarbonate soda, lemon juice, and egg white. The first method we're going to do is the salt and bicarbonate soda. Supposedly 1 teaspoon of salt and a half a teaspoon of bicarbonate soda to 1 gallon of water. What's 3 point something liters, but this is a 1.5 liters, so we're just gonna half the dose for just this video. So I'm going to now pour in, for experiments, is the salt, bicarbonate soda. Hopefully we'll find out if it does work. It might be a bit more salt and a bit more bicarbonate soda that it might need, but we'll find out. The next method will be lemon. With the lemon juice, you're supposed to use vinegar or lemon juice. You're supposed to use a few tablespoons into 1 gallon. I'll put the information up about this as well. So we will put the funnel on, bit of lemon juice. So yeah, you're supposed to put a few tablespoons of lemon juice into 1 gallon, so I just half this information. As well, with the egg white, you're supposed to just get 1 egg white, beat it up, and we'll pour it in. So we'll do that now. Okay, we're gonna undo the bottle and add 1 egg yolk to a gallon, supposedly, but this is not a gallon, so it doesn't really matter. So 1 egg yolk. And we're gonna just now shake it all up individually and see if this information is true. See if the salt bicarbonate soda works or the lemon juice. So individually, whatever one hopefully works. So the egg white, the lemon juice, or the salt and bicarbonate soda. So this is just something I wanted to do just to see if you can use household items. That's why I asked ChatGPT, and we'll find out. I'll do half an hour to an hour time lapse after this, and then we might end up have to do a 24-hour result afterwards. So hopefully we can find out anything interesting. But I'll stack them nice and neatly like that. They're all been fluffed up, and we're gonna leave them for around half an hour, but I'm just gonna do a time lapse. The camera stopped recording, but it's been around half an hour. This is the actual salt and bicarbonate soda. It's working half decently. For some reason it is working, as you can't really see, but I can see it is coagulating up the lemon juice, but it's not working as good as I was hoping for. And I wasn't really thinking that egg whites, but we will leave it a little bit longer. I might leave it there, give it around 12 to 24 hours and we'll see if what's actually working better. But yeah, we'll give it about 24 hours and see how they look tomorrow. It's been around 24 hours, such say it's probably a little bit less. The salt and bicarbonate soda work decently well. As you can see, all the settlement is on the bottom, but the lemon juice, for some reason, come out pretty good. You got all the settlement on the bottom, and it's pretty decently clean. You can probably do this to be able to just water your garden because you're just kind of like using lemon juice. It's not going to hurt the plant or anything. I kind of knew the egg white would not work. It didn't do anything. I think I've just made a funky concoction up. Interesting to see the different results. How that's kind of a little bit tea. That's nearly clean, but you got that lemony kind of look, and that just did not work. Egg white did not work, but this was interesting. This test is to check to see if it does work. The next test is to see if it works on plants. I would use some kind of testing strips just to check the quality of water to make sure it's safe. You could use a filter system that you can make yourself or buy to make sure the water is good. If you did like the content, drop a like, consider subscribing, and have a good one.